absolutely mortified. Yes, that was the reaction I had. And I was going to a new hairdresser's and she asked me the question, what is it you do? It's always a difficult question to answer because at that point in time, I wasn't really quite sure what I did. I knew that I wanted to be an artist and I wanted to sell my artwork online. But at that time, I didn't feel like I had yet achieved, the status to be able to say I'm an artist. The title artist felt way too grand for what I was doing. I thought that the title artist was kind of reserved for those that are born with natural talent or those who are working professionally as an artist. It felt way too grand for me. So when she said, what is it you do? I kind of downplayed a lot of it and I said, well, I dabble in a bit of painting and I used to work in an office and I used to do this and that. And honestly, everyone just ended up kind of feeling confused, including myself, about what I actually did. I thought that in order to call myself an artist and to confidently say I am an artist, I thought, well, really, to be able to say that, I should be getting better at painting, I should be selling my artwork, I should at least have some paintings in a gallery before I could actually call myself an artist. Now, looking back, I realised that I had that whole idea completely backwards. That's like an Olympic medalist saying, well, you know what, when I get a medal, then I'll start taking my sport seriously. Then I'll start putting in the practice. And once I get that medal, once I make it to the Olympics, then I will start believing in myself and putting in that practice. Of course, all that has to happen for the person to even be able to be at the Olympics. They have to have put in that dedication. They have to have believed that it's going to happen for them to even put in that hard work to get there. And it wasn't until I actually started confidently embodying that persona of I am an artist that I actually saw massive improvement in my art and actually started selling my artwork online. And it's almost like you have to completely flip it around, and instead of waiting for it to happen, you have to make it happen. You have to say, okay, this is going to happen. Almost like this is happening. You almost have to have that mentality of it is happening now for me. And then you will put in the action that will actually make it happen. So when you start confidently saying to yourself, first of all, but then also to others, I am an artist, and really believing it, really feeling that in your body when you say it, then that is what will make you start taking it so seriously that will actually make you take action to the point where it will happen for you. So if you're kind of looking for that permission to call yourself an artist, first of all, give yourself that permission. If you don't feel like you can give yourself that permission, then this is me giving you permission to call yourself an artist. If you enjoy making art, you're an artist. If you're selling art, that is a marketing skill. Creating art is a creative skill, and the two are not linked. We have to stop mixing those up. Selling artwork is nothing to do with creating artwork. It's a completely different, separate column. So if this resonates with you, then I'm really excited because I'm putting together a free live art workshop that is going to help you see the steps you need to take to confidently create unique artwork in your own style, and fulfill that dream of being an artist. So if that sounds all good for you, I'll pop the link in the description box to the live class. You will need to register because it won't be going out publicly. The link to the class will only get sent to those who are registered. So go and check the description box. I'll also pop the link in the comment boxes too. So go check there, register for the class, and I'll email you all the details that you need to join. It's going to be really exciting, and also it will be live, and there'll be a Q&A section right at the end, so you can ask me any art related questions. That's my favorite part because it means that I can interact with you all. But yeah, I'm just super excited, and I think more than ever before, we have all the availability for people to be pursuing their passion and even making a living from it. So I'm so excited for you and your dream of being an artist coming true, and I'm here to cheerlead you through it. Thank you so much, and see you on the live class. Bye.